Welcome back to the channel where we make high-flying tech accessible to everyone. Today, we're proving you don't need a massive budget to get an incredible drone. We're diving into the absolute best drones you can buy for under $500, packed with features for amazing aerial photography, stable flight, and endless fun. If you're ready to take your perspective to new heights, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We have handpicked some truly remarkable flyers, and all the links to explore these budget-friendly drones are waiting for you in the description below. Let's get airborne. Number 5. Brand name, JJRC, model number, AE30. JJRC AE30 features an 11.55-volt plug-and-play lithium battery for extended flight duration and quick swapping. 3-axis stabilized gimbal with laser obstacle avoidance ensures smooth footage by combining mechanical stabilization with electronic anti-shake and 360 degrees laser obstacle detection for added safety and image clarity. Upgrade the 7.2-inch remote control with Android system, which can be used as both a phone and a remote control. Equipped with a throwing device at the bottom, it can airdrop items with just one click. Returns to the starting point with low battery or signal loss. Features GPS and image-based follow modes that automatically track and follow the subject. A brand new intelligent AI chip that meets the needs of beginners and advanced players. Number 4. Brand name, JJRC, model number, D12. The quadcopter is equipped with dual 8K cameras, allowing you to capture high-quality photos and videos from different perspectives. The built-in GPS system provides several intelligent flight modes, including one-key return to home, low battery auto-return and lost signal auto-return. Optical flow positioning technology, combined with altitude hold, allows the quadcopter to maintain a stable hover and precise control. The downward-facing sensors analyze the ground texture to keep the plane at a fixed height, ensuring smooth and stable flight, even when GPS signals are weak or unavailable. The quadcopter features a 4-sided obstacle avoidance system, which uses multiple sensors to detect and avoid obstacles in real time. This ensures a safer flying experience, reducing the risk of collisions and making it easier for beginners to fly the plane in complex environments. Number 3. Brand name, Potensic, model number, Atom 2. The Potensic Atom 2 is a drone for novice drone pilots or hobby pilots. Despite its compact size and light weight, the drone excels in performance with stabilized 4K video resolution. The drone has smart functions, such as the return home function, which allows the drone to automatically return to the starting point. You can also easily send videos to your smartphone via Wi-Fi and share them on social media with Smart Transfer. Atom 2 offers precise GNSS positioning, cruise control, auto takeoff and landing, and smart return to home, delivering a smooth and enjoyable flying experience. You can control the drone with your smartphone via the Potensic Eve app. With this app you can control the drone, view recordings, and check flight logs. You will also receive reminders that contribute to safer and more efficient flights. You can ensure your drone with Potensic Care, so you can take to the skies with peace of mind. With an f1.8 aperture and pixel binning technology, it delivers exceptional clarity, even in low-light scenarios. This makes it ideal for both casual flyers and content creators aiming for cinematic results. The standard kit includes a 2330 mAh intelligent battery offering up to 32 minutes of flight time per charge. The Atom 2 is built for visual storytellers. It supports vertical 2.7K shooting, 4x digital zoom, panoramic photos and dynamic video modes like dolly zoom, slow motion, and quick shots. Number 2. Brand name, Potensic, model number, Atom SE. The lightweight design, competitive price and simplicity of use have made the drone quickly popular among hobbyists and tech enthusiasts. The Atom SE GPS drone will to the takeoff point when it's lost signal or is in low power. You can have even more fun with features like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Circle Flight of the drone. Dive into more flying possibilities. The Atom SE 4K drone comes with two intelligent 2500 mAh batteries, each battery running up to 31 minutes, for a total of This allows for longer flights and fewer charging interruptions, giving you more freedom to capture creative moments. Longer flight time means more opportunities to capture perfect shots. Give you more freedom to record the creative moments around you. The fold-up design packs up small enough to fit in a jacket pocket, making it ideal for any outing. With the help of the upgraded Surgefly flight control system and Shake Vanish technology, drone pilots will have a great flying experience and be able to make every aerial shot smooth and steady. Surgefly flight control system provides pilots with a reliable flight control experience. Number 1. Brand name, SJRC, model number, F22S. The SJRC F22S drone is a high-performance quadcopter with advanced features that make it a popular choice among drone enthusiasts. This drone is designed to provide a seamless flight experience, with easy-to-use controls, high-quality camera and long-lasting battery life. The SJRC F22S 4K drone is equipped with a front obstacle avoidance device, which can detect obstacles ahead and escort your flight, even in complex environments and at night. The SJRC F22S drone features a sleek, modern design with a black and silver color scheme. It has a durable plastic body that is both lightweight and rugged, making it perfect for outdoor use. 2-axis gimbal and EIS enhanced technology dual stabilization system which perfectly eliminates camera shake during flight. The picture is more stable and clearer, allowing you to enjoy a silky smooth feeling in large movies. SJRC F22S drone is equipped with a 4K Ultra HD camera that can capture stunning aerial footage and photos. The camera has a 120-degree wide-angle lens that provides a panoramic view of the surroundings.